So some of you have probably seen our videos by now, so we thought we'd take a quick second today to make a little video about how to get a HidaHose system in your house. If you go to hidahose.com, you can get a free estimate in just about a minute. Simply answer a few questions about your home, such as number of floors, square footage per floor, give us your zip code, and we'll send you an estimate within a few minutes. Once you get this email, you can indicate that you'd like to be connected to a local authorized HidaHose dealer, and we'll introduce you to someone near you. Most dealers will even come out to your house and give you an exact price before starting installation. And speaking of costs, let's break it down. The price typically covers installation and all the HidaHose and central vacuum equipment. A standard size 2-story home usually costs between $3,200 and $3,800. If you're interested in installing a HidaHose system yourself, you can order everything you need directly from our website and save about 20%. But we do highly recommend having it professionally installed. We'll talk about the DIY HidaHose process in a separate video. It doesn't matter if you're building a new home or if you have an existing home. HidaHose can be installed in all new construction and most existing homes that have access to a crawl space or attic. It can even be installed in commercial spaces. In fact, HidaHose is becoming very popular in vet clinics. There you have it, the simple steps to get your very own HidaHose system. If you have any questions or want to start the process, check out our website at hidahose.com to get in contact with us. If you're curious about how the system works, look out for another video soon that explains how the magic happens.